Ukraine has recently intensified its military operations against Russian targets using US-supplied Army Tactical Missile Systems, or ATACMS. On December the 11th, 2024, Ukraine launched 6 ATACMS missiles at a military airfield on the Azov Sea. Russia's defense ministry reported that its air defenses intercepted 5 of the missiles, with the 6th causing damage to the facility. The Army Tactical Missile System, or ATACMS, is a precision-guided, long-range missile that has redefined modern battlefield dynamics. Designed for deep strike capabilities, ATACMS can deliver a devastating punch with pinpoint accuracy, hitting targets up to 300 kilometers away. This versatile weapon can be launched from platforms like the M270 multiple launch rocket system and the M142 HIMARS, making it a flexible choice for commanders seeking to disrupt enemy supply lines, destroy high-value targets, and neutralize fortified positions. Equipped with a variety of warheads, including unitary explosives and submunitions, ATACMS is not just a weapon of war, but a strategic tool, enabling nations like Ukraine to challenge adversaries far beyond the traditional front lines. The United States' decision to approve Ukraine's use of ATACMS for strikes on Russian territory marked a pivotal moment in the ongoing conflict, driven by a confluence of strategic and geopolitical factors. Reports of North Korea deploying thousands of troops to bolster Russian forces in the Kursk region heightened the urgency to counterbalance escalating threats. At the same time, Ukraine's pressing need for long-range capabilities to target critical Russian military infrastructure underscored the importance of disrupting supply lines and undermining Moscow's offensive power. Adding to this urgency was the impending transition of US leadership, with the Biden administration seeking to fortify Ukraine's position before the incoming Trump administration, whose policies toward the war remained uncertain. Together, these considerations culminated in a bold shift in US support, altering the dynamics of the conflict and reaffirming its commitment to Ukraine's defense. In response, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov stated that Russia would definitely respond to Ukraine's use of these long-range missiles, emphasizing that the retaliation would be appropriate and certain. This incident follows a series of Ukrainian strikes utilizing ATACMS missiles. Notably, on November 19, 2024, Ukraine targeted a munitions storage facility near Karachev in Russia's Bryansk region, marking the first known use of ATACMS against Russian territory. The attack resulted in significant explosions and damage. While these long-range missiles have proven their effectiveness in disrupting Russian operations, targeting airfields, destroying equipment, and forcing Russia to adjust its defenses, their ability to decisively alter the conflict depends on several factors. Military experts note that while ATACMS strikes can weaken Russian logistics and morale, they are not a panacea. The missiles alone cannot compensate for the grinding, attritional nature of the war, where territorial gains are hard-fought and both sides remain entrenched. These developments have escalated tensions between Russia and Ukraine, with Russia viewing the use of US-supplied long-range missiles as a significant escalation. In response, Russia has updated its nuclear doctrine, lowering the threshold for the use of nuclear weapons in retaliation to conventional attacks supported by nuclear-armed states. Meanwhile, recent developments indicate that Russian forces have intensified their offensive operations in eastern Ukraine, achieving notable territorial gains. Remember to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated with our latest content. And while you're here, why not check out another one of our exciting videos? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.